As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished and today Bitcoin give us here a green engulfing pattern here that indicating maybe the market from here going to go back above. I know a lot of you they came here for that short answer, that's what they want from me and that's what me I'm going to do. I'm going to give you the short answer. The short answer guys, the Bitcoin do exactly like how us we told you yesterday. We told it's going back to 117k. Now we touch here that 100 moving average. He found there a very stronger resistance there, but we are going to break it. Give it today or tomorrow. We are going to break it and you're going to find it above here and it's going to give us here like that guys, like a cup and handle, something like that. And a lot of those scientists, they are going to come to me, they are going to tell me, oh no, it's not a downtrend. No, my friend, is it a downtrend here? And if it give you here a pattern indicating that the bottom. So I think I explained everything. To understand more, make sure to watch that video till the end to understand more and how to catch those opportunities they are coming. By the way guys, before we continue it, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible. Make sure to smash that like button and write down a comment, please. You done it? Thank you very much. And if you want our daily swing trading long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord where we're giving all those type of signals. If you are interested to join us, the link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You see that one here, see member option. That one here, click at it like that. It's going to open for you 3 tiers here. We got the position, we got the VIP member and the elite. The position is it for long term if you don't want to use leverage or very small leverage like X2, X3, you can join the position. The VIP, you're going to get all our cryptocurrency services in the VIP. If you want to get everything else we offer, choose the elite. So when you decide which one to join, click a join button, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps there. You're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, Bitcoin here, he came, he do like exactly like how we told you yesterday. We told he's going to reverse upward. He came now, he touched here that 100 moving average. He found here a big resistance here. He liquidated a lot of stop losses now here. Now what is it, the view? As we still waiting that one here to break above. In the 4 hours, it's breaking the 200 moving average. Now it's going back to test it. Let's see if it's going to pump again or not. But my word, it's still the same. We are going back to that zone here. Why me? I'm still confident, guys, because if you're looking with me here, let me take it off those moving averages to explain to you more. If you're looking with me here, that the uptrend as we talking about before, you remember it or no? That the uptrend, yes, the volatility is not the same like before, guys, because if you're looking at it, look at the first time we touch it, look at the second time when we touch it here, it's not the same volume, but let's see if he couldn't break that last high here, that's another story. If we can't, let me change those colors here, look at it here, you see here that the first time when we touch that uptrend, that the second time, and now the third time. You see it, guys? If the volatility couldn't break that last high here, that meant that 117k, that's another story, guys. That is going to tell us now we are in a downtrend here, like that, or a down channel like that, and the down channel, we touch the top of it here, and we are going to fall down to touch the lower of it, like how it happened here, because if you're looking with me here, is it the same pattern, guys? Look here, you see it here? Is it the same pattern here? What happened here? What happened here in the past? Look here, that the first, that the second, in the third time, that when we break it here, how many times we touch it? That the first, that the second, or maybe there is the third time, guys, but for the third time, what happened down here? That the first, that the second, that the third, that the first, like that one, that the second, that the third. Now let's see if we are going to break here, and we will like that. That's possible, guys. If it's not, that's another story. I think I explained everything to you here. If you want for position, my friend, exactly for position, for long term, I'm talking here. You want to benefit from our daily signals. We told you what to do. For position, also we give them only for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Sol. So you can join us if you don't want to start a day, say, like you got some capital and you want that capital to grow it with time. Welcome, my friend. Very low risk or minimal risk. That, of course, if you don't use a leverage. So if you are interested, you can join us. Now let me show you the trades me are entering them for today, guys. Trades me are entering them for today, guys. As you see it, we enter a long in the Sol, we enter a long in Bitcoin. By the way, that two here are for swing trading. And we enter yesterday a long as day trading in Bitcoin. It hit in the first take profit. We enter now a short as day trading in the Doge and in the XRP. The XRP left it just hitting the first take profit. We enter a short in the AVAX, it's hitting first, second, third, fourth take profit. So even you can benefit from those things if you are interested, of course. And we told you how to join us. Very simple, my friend. The link of our Patreon, as I told you, is it down. And you're going to benefit from very highly accurate signals if you are interested. Now, let me show you the liquidity heat map, what it's saying today. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. Before we see the liquidity heat map, we need to come here to Bitcoin sentiment here. The sentiment here, it's still the same, guys. It's still the bulls more than the bears. As you see them here, the bulls, they are more than 50%. We don't need to make that calculation here. And that one is the sentiment in all exchanges. So that telling us Bitcoin, it's still going more higher, guys. If we see the reds here, that's another story. So I think I explained everything here. Now let me show you Bitcoin liquidity heat map for today. Here we are, guys, the liquidity heat map here. We got stop losses here and above here, that's for 24 hours, but also we don't focus about that one a lot. Also we focus about weekly, so let's go in there to see it. In the weekly, guys, it's still the same picture. It's still the Bitcoin, as I told you, is going back to that zone here, above 170, closer to 120K, of course. So let's wait in. Now we touch those stop losses. They used to be here at 114. It's liquidated them. Now it's left those ones above here, and even those ones, they are going to be liquidated. Those ones above the 4-hour 100 moving average, even them, they are going to be liquidated. Let's wait and see the coming hours. That's the only things I can tell you. It will not be 1 day or 2 days. It's going to take some time, and it may be we're going to see another correction down here to liquidate the stop losses here. But guys, the big picture, the Bitcoin going back above 117K. Remember that. I think I explained everything here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today, because even today we got very important news. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. That's the coming news for today, as you see it in front of you. Today we got very important day. We got durable goods order, the GDP of USA, initial jobless claim, and exiting home sales. The most important ones, the GDP and durable goods order. So you need to be careful about them. They are going to come at 12:30 GMT time. So you need to be careful at that time. Don't day trade exactly at that time. Now it's going to see USDT dominance, what it's saying today. Here we are, guys. The USDT dominance, as you see it, it touched here the very stronger zone here. As we showed it to you before, we told you that 4.50 and 4.59%, you need to be careful about that zone there. Look at it here. It tried to give us here like a head and shoulder here. You zoom it there, or you go to smaller time frames, you got here a head and shoulder. Yes, it hasn't broken yet the neckline of it. So there is nothing yet. But guys, look at it here. You see that head and shoulder here is very clear. And that one, if it's breaking the neckline here, we're going to see the market dumping. Another thing you can do, you can come and do an uptrend like that. You waited that uptrend here to be broke for you to catch that short here in USDT dominance. That's meant to long all other cryptocurrencies. If you don't know what us we're talking, again, every day we repeat it. You can join us in our VIP Discord. We give you exactly when to enter and where to put stop loss. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, look at it. We still have here a bearish divergence, as also we show you before. Very clear bearish divergence. Now we got here a head and shoulder. You can even come and do it like that, like a megaphone here. And that one, if it's getting broke, guys, like that, you need to catch that short. That's the only things I can tell you. Yes, our indicator is staying here in a zone where the bulls, they control it, hasn't give you there a sign the market is going to dump. But let's wait and see the coming hours. Another very important thing, guys, here, which is that one here. Look at that uptrend here. Is it that one here in our indicator? We need to focus on that one when it's going to be broke. So I think I explained everything here. Now it's going to see the SP500 we're doing today. Here we are in the SP500, guys. The SP500, same thing, the only thing. Now it's showing to us as if it's going to dump. Now it fell down, he touched for us that uptrend here. Now there is one of two, either from here going to pump again, that's possible. Second scenario is going to break that uptrend here, and we're going to see the SP500 going to dump. Also, we're talking about that. We've been talking about it. We've been telling you there is a bubble, guys, and that bubble, we don't know when it's going to bust, and that's how it's look like, guys. The US economic, it's not good yet, guys. Forget about the media, those things, all of them, they are fabs. The US economic is at very, very bad situation. So if we break in here, we're going to see the market dumping very hard. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the VIX, what it's saying for today. Here we are, guys. The VIX today, 16.80. That man, there is nothing to be worried about. If you're holding Bitcoin, if you're holding stock, just hold. Is not yet the right time for you to sell or to buy. Just let it to run, guys. Till we touch 20, that's another story. But now, there is nothing to be worried about. So I think I explained everything here. Now we're going to see Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours, you see it here. It's breaking for us that 200 moving average, guys. Here, you see it here. Look at it here. You see the 200 moving average here is getting broke. And now the Bitcoin, what it done after it's broke it, he came back and tested again. You see it here. It's testing that 200 moving average again. So now what is it the view? Me personally, I'm still thinking Bitcoin going back to touch here that 114,660, guys. There's a lot of stop losses here above that 100 moving average, and market makers always they hunting those things. Now, what is it the view? Because we need ticket of those ones like that, and we need to come like that, guys. What you see in here? I want you to write down in the comment with how to cheat, please. What you see in here? Here we got, guys, that the uptrend, as we show you before, you see that uptrend here is getting broke, guys, and that telling us the Bitcoin going to pump again. That number one scenario. Second scenario, we got here the double bottom. Even that one is getting broke, guys. That way also we enter that long as swing trading. There is another thing, guys, here. Is it that one here? Look with me now. We got here now like a wage, guys. You see it? And that wage here, if it's getting broke, we are going to see the Bitcoin pumping from here more higher, guys, because that one, if you do it like that, is going to become a peanut, guys. I think I explained everything to you here, that for long, for short, what we can do here. Because we need to give you, even for short, guys, yes or no? For short, you can come and do something like that from that one here to the one here and the one here to the one here. And you're going to have here a bear flag, guys. You see it here. And that one, if we break in here, the lower of it. See you later, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. So I think I explained for you everything, guys. I show you for long and I show you for short. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, after it given us here that bullish divergence like that, we told you the market is going to pump. The downtrend here, look at it, guys. You see it here that the downtrend, which is here, is getting broken, both of them. That way also we enter that longer swing trading. Now what is it? We touch here that wall, guys. Now there is one of two. Either from here, we're going to break it and we enter again to a zone where is a boost, the controlling. Second thing, we still have here that bearish divergence, guys. That one here, it need to be broke like that for us to know the Bitcoin it came back official to uptrend. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. The Ethereum here, same thing. It's still in a downtrend. There is nothing changed. And we can do nothing for it. That's the only things I can tell you. The only thing now we have here like a down channel, guys. You see it here. That one here is a down channel. We touch the lower of it here. Let's hope the Ethereum going to do like that and to pump again to touch the top of it. That's possible, guys. You see it or no? Let me show it to you again. Like that, guys. Look with me here what I'm going to do. We came to the tails of those candles here like that. And here to the tail of that candle here like that. You see it? We got here now a down channel. Let's hope that Ethereum going to do like that and to pump. How we started, you see it, guys, how many times it's being touched, that down channel here. Let's hope that Ethereum going to come back to touch the top of it here. That's possible. That for long, for short, we don't got nothing here. The only thing that going to be for long term is it that one like that, guys. And that one going to look very bad for Ethereum. That's why me I told you that Ethereum is going to the home. Is it that one here? See it, guys? That one, if it's getting broke, that zone here, we're going to see the Ethereum dumping very hard. And we don't hope so because a lot of friends of me, they're holding the Ethereum. We don't hope the Ethereum to break here for it to go home. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, look at it. It touched here extreme oversold area, and now is it stuck here in that zone 41.18. Let's see, guys, if it's getting broke, the next stop down here 35.52, and we don't want that. Let's hope that not going to happen in the coming hours. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today. Here we are, guys. In the Sol, same thing. The only thing, the Sol here is still below the 200 moving average. That means it's still in a downtrend here. The only thing why us we enter that long, I'm going to show you everything, guys. By the way, even you can benefit from our signals if you are interested, of course. Here we got the downtrend like that, guys. You can come and do it like that. You see it here is a down channel here, and the down channel is being touched here. That's why us we enter that long. But the Sol, it touched here the 200 moving average, showing to us as if it's going to dump. Now it fall down. It's going to come back to test it again. Then we're going to see if the Sol going to do like that and to pump again to touch the top of the down channel here. That's possible. But the Sol, guys, it's still in a downtrend. I think I explained everything to you here. If you don't know what else we're talking about and you want exactly when else we enter and you want even you to catch in those nice trades with us, we told you what to do, my friend. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video. And believe me, my friend, that 25 bucks you're going to pay, you're going to back it with 10-1 signal, but it's up to you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, look at it. It touch here, extreme oversold area. That number one reason for us to be looking for a long. Second thing, that one here. Look at it, guys. But the most important now is it the downtrend here. The downtrend here, it need to be broke or the sold just to touch it enough to dump. So we are ready for everything, no matter what's happening. I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP, a lot of things. Also, we enter a short as day trading from here exactly when it touched that 100 moving average. Now it's showing to us as if it's going to dump. I got something very important here in the XRP. Let me show it to you. If we came and we take it off those moving averages like that, guys, what you see in here. You see it? We got here like a triangle, guys. That's a triangle here. Very clear triangle here. Very clear triangle, guys, and that one you need to look very close at it. No matter how long as we stay playing here, maybe going to come back to touch it here, maybe going to fall down to touch it here. So you need to focus about that triangle here, that number one reason. Second thing, guys, what is it? I'll show it to you. Also, we enter that short as day trading. We touch here that 200 moving average. We enter a short from there because over here we got a order block. Look at it, guys. From here last time we dump, and me I tell it to you is going to recover all that. That's what our view, guys. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, look at it. It's entered here to a zone where is the bulls the controlling. Now let's see. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. By the way, you watching me now. I know you started that video from the start till here, but you haven't smashed that like button. Why, my friend? Please, my friend, go now, smash that like button. Support us. It will not take you that much, just 1 second from your time, and it means a lot to us. So please, if you like that channel and you want it to grow and up more, please support us by just smashing that like button. You done it? Thank you very much. Here in Bitcoin, guys, we got a lot of things. You remember in yesterday video we show you here we got a bullish divergence and that bullish divergence, and we show you here the downtrend here. That one here is getting broke here. Look at it, guys. It's hitting for us the target of us. Now what is it the view? The Bitcoin give us here like a small head and shoulder in 5 minutes. Also we enter a short. Plus even here we got here a uptrend like that. Even that uptrend is getting broke, guys. That's why also we enter that short. Now at this time also we are in profit, guys. What shall we do? Did Bitcoin going to continue falling down? Sort of, guys, because now we got here, as I show you in the 4 hours, the 200 moving average. Plus now you can come and do something like that, guys. Like that, you can come and do something like that. You see it, guys, or no? That downtrend, we just touch it here. So let's see if that one going to fall down again to test that low here or no. And also we're ready for everything, but Bitcoin do exactly like how as we told you it's going to come back to that zone here. And it came back to it, guys. Now we got here the 200 moving average, guys, in 4 hours. Let's see what's going to happen to it. I think I explained everything. What is it? My view, Bitcoin going to continue upward, guys. That one here is just a smaller correction, but the picture Bitcoin going to go more higher. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, that the bullish divergence also show you yesterday. You remember it? That one here, very clear bullish divergence here. Is getting broke here. That's why also we enter that long. Now here it touch here, extreme overbought area. It fell down to that zone here. That very common, guys. Look at it. Even here it touched, didn't make that smaller correction. Same thing here. Now let's see if the Bitcoin going to give us another high or no. So I think I explained everything. If you want exactly when also we enter, we told you what to do. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.